How to watch YouTube on a non-smart TV. You can still enjoy YouTube on a non-smart TV using external devices or simple workarounds. Follow these steps. Method 1. Use a streaming device. Streaming devices are easy-to-use tools that connect to your non-smart TV via an HDMI port. Choose a streaming device. Options include Chromecast, Amazon Fire Stick, Roku, or Apple TV. Connect the device. Plug the device into your TV's HDMI port and connect it to a power source. Set up the device. Follow the on-screen setup instructions to connect the device to your Wi-Fi network. Install YouTube. Download the YouTube app from the device's app store and sign in with your Google account. Start watching. Open the YouTube app and play videos on your TV. Method 2. Use a laptop or computer with HDMI. You can use your computer to stream YouTube to your TV. Connect via HDMI cable. Plug one end of an HDMI cable into your laptop or desktop and the other end into your TV. Switch TV input. Use your TV remote to select the HDMI input corresponding to the port used. Play YouTube. Open youtube.com on your browser and play videos. The display will mirror on your TV. Method 3. Use a gaming console. If you have a gaming console, you can use it to stream YouTube. Connect the console. Ensure your gaming console, PlayStation, Xbox, is connected to your TV. Open YouTube. Download and install the YouTube app from the console's app store. Sign in and watch. Log into your YouTube account and play videos. Method 4. Use a Blu-ray player. Many Blu-ray players come with built-in streaming capabilities. Connect the Blu-ray player. Plug the Blu-ray player into your TV using an HDMI cable. Download YouTube. Open the App Store on the Blu-ray player and install YouTube. Sign in, log into your YouTube account, and start streaming. Method 5. Use Chromecast or screen mirroring. Use Chromecast. Plug a Chromecast device into your TV and set it up. Use your smartphone to cast YouTube videos to your TV by tapping the cast icon in the YouTube app. Use screen mirroring. On Android devices, enable screen mirroring or cast from the settings menu. On iPhone, use AirPlay with a compatible device. By using one of these methods, you can easily watch YouTube on a non-smart TV.